Hello, welcome back to Edible Kid YouTube channel. This week, I'm completely not ready to cook. I want to order takeout, but I don't feel safe. So here I am, back to my chopping board. I'm sure lots of people have done tortilla rolls, and I'm not going to invent a new format. I just want to come up with something quick and easy. Even though I realize I run out of sour cream, I don't bother to go grab a new one. This is how lazy I am this week. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe, please click on this button. To view more, please click here. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.